Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today we're going to be checking out the Spice Emporium Caribbean Jerk Barbecue Seasoning. Spice up your life. So that's what's in it, guys. Let it focus, let the camera focus in. If you want to pause this just to see if that's okay for you. Okay, right, so let's get on. I don't know if you saw my video on the Spice Emporium ground. It was ground Himalayan. So today I'm just cooking up some bits and pieces here. I'm actually doing a curry chicken. Well, I'm actually doing Chinese, but I'm also going to do a bit of this as well. So it was going to be Chinese, but I'm going to try some of this. Sure smells nice. I mean, it's just a typical grinder. But I thought what I'll do is I'll try out some of this chicken. There. Get a piece like that. That tastes real nice, that really does taste nice. Obviously it's got all sorts in it, but I thought I'd show you anyway. So that's a quick look at that one. Yeah, just grate it in, guys. Your favourite dish. I mean, it says here just basically chuck it onto your dishes if you really want. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.